Welcome guys to the fourth lesson in this Java tutorial series, and today we are going to be talking about string literal. Now strings are a group of characters that are enclosed in a double quote. Now we've seen it in the previous video where we demonstrated the string variable. Now it has we have already created a class, and we can declare a variable that can store a string, like string my name is equal to let me say Fred, and we close. Now as we can see here, we have named the variable my name that allows the storage of a string called Fred. Now there is also what we call concatenation of strings in Java. Now concatenation of strings is using the operator sign, the operator symbol plus, to add many strings together. For example, if we say I will declare another variable, say string my surname equals dad, and we say string my other name equal to let me just say John. Now this is how the concatenation works. If we output this statement and say my name plus my surname plus my other name, and we close and run this program, it displays the results here. But if we see, there is no space in between the names, and if we want spaces to be in between the names, if we add my name plus, we add an open and close double quotes, add my surname, add an open and close double quotes, and my other name. So we see now the spaces have been created just because we added this double quotes here, indicating that we want to space these names. So this is how you concatenate different strings when you want to output them. Also, strings can it can be alphabets, they can be special characters, they can be numbers. So far as they are enclosed in double quotes, they are known as strings. For example, this is string all together equal to, I will say 56 plus 43. This won't sum these numbers. What it will actually do is print out this expression here. It will just print it out because it assumes they are all strings. So if I output this system dot out dot print all together. Sorry, there it is. And if I run this statement, this is what it will output: 56 plus 43. So any number, anything that is enclosed in the double quotes is known as a string in Java. And as you can see that strings are stored in with the keyword string. It can also be regarded as a class, but when we go further, we'll know more about that. So that's all for strings. In the next tutorial, we will be talking about the while loop.